Hey YT family, it's Doll Baby 4400. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope you'll stay and subscribe. This picture that you're seeing now is a piece that I found at Goodwill. I paid $10 for it, and here we go. So I've already sprayed it in an open area where it's, where you can breathe, of course. And I'm using a primer, just a regular white primer first on it. It's such a lovely piece. I want to get these knobs off because I want to replace them with some sparkly bling knobs. So I'm going to let it dry for a minute. Well, until it's completely dry, and I'm going to hit it again with the primer. And then I'm going to show you what I will be using along with the primer. Over top of the primer would be my color that I'm going to use. This piece is nice and heavy, and it's an old piece. I don't know if I'm going to use it as a plant stand or just a stand in my room. I'm not quite sure, but nevertheless, it is a lovely piece, and I am ever so pleased with it. I love, love, love it. Okay, I want to show you some of the stuff I used. I used Awesome to actually clean the cabinet before I sprayed it, and then I used the Rust-Oleum 2 times the cover, the white primer, and yeah, this is pretty much what I used. I'm in my front yard with plenty of ventilation. Make sure you have that as well. I will be using the Rust-Oleum metallic silver for the cabinet, and hey, there we go. I have finished spraying it. I let it dry, and now I have put the polyurethane on it to seal the paint, and it came out beautiful. I took the knobs off, as you see, and I'm going to replace it with some bling. I am so pleased with the color, and I just use regular polyurethane clear because I like to allow it to dry overnight with the paint, and then I hit it with the polyurethane, and look how pretty it looks. I am so pleased. And I'm just going to allow it to dry just a little bit more with the polyurethane, and then I will apply the knobs on it, which I'm going to be using some crystal knobs, and then I'll come back with the final product. I am so pleased. Okay, I've allowed it to dry, and I absolutely love this piece. It came out very, very nice. I just put the knobs on there, and the knobs are absolutely beautiful. It gives it a lot of glam and class and elegance. I added 2 little elephants on the side. As you know, I really love elephants, and a plant on top of it. And just to give it that lovely, glamorous look. And the color is perfect. It matches so perfectly in my space. I am thoroughly pleased with what I have done. I may change the plan out and put something else, but I want you to see how the knobs look close up. Isn't that very, very glam and beautiful? Very, very easy project to do. And I hope you'll try it with one of your pieces. Thank you for watching and supporting. Love you guys.